Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. So today uh, I'm gonna to teach you a very short topic which is how to upgrade our Jenkins server. So the people who are working in the DevOps side and DevOps support side, it's not development side, DevOps support side, and who is taking care of all the DevOps tools. I mean the tools what they are using for the day-to-day activity. So one of that Jenkins server is there, which we are using for the CI/CD tool. CI/CD. So here, I just want to tell you like how you can upgrade your Jenkins server. So okay, let me start. So before we do that, I just want to add few things here. Okay. So when you're planning to upgrade your Jenkins server, ensure that the latest build, I mean the next version, what you are trying to upgrade, should be tested in the test environment. And once the sign up is done, you can go ahead with the prod deployment. Okay. All right, so this is my Ubuntu machine. I have installed Jenkins here. Okay, so let me log into the Jenkins and see what is the version installed in this particular Jenkins. So I have installed Jenkins here. Let me log into the Jenkins. And yes, I have successfully installed Jenkins here, and I can say I'm able to log in here. And the version what I'm using is 2.332, right? So if I click on the Manage Jenkins, and I can see here there is a new version called 2.3.6, 2.361.1. This is the latest version, so which is available to install it. So you can directly install this version, but as per the process, you should not be directly upgrade to the, I mean, to the lower version to the directly to the latest version. So you have to go the step by step. What is the next version of 332? Maybe 333 or 4, 5, whatever. Then you have to go for the 6. Okay, and based on the sign up process from the development team, then you can go ahead and install your, I mean, upgrade your Jenkins version. So now today I'll show you to upgrade this particular version here. Okay, so so here to upgrade the Jenkins, the very simple process is that we just need to replace the Jenkins war file. Okay, so before that we just want to know like what is this war file, where it is located. So to know those information, we have to click on the system information, and in that you can see there is a executable WAR file is there, which is located in users, shared Java and Jenkins war. Okay, so let's go to this particular path and see this particular file is available or not. Okay, so now okay, now click on the paste. All right, so if I do ls-lrt, and I can see the Jenkins war file is located here. All right. So now what I can do, I'll just read before I delete it. Okay. If let's say while upgrading there is some issue, I just want to go back to my previous version. So I just want to rename and want to take a copy of this particular file. So to take a copy, cp command I can use and backup. All right. So and I can see I have created a backup file here. So now I'm good to delete this particular war file. So let me delete it. Right, so I have deleted it. Now, if you go back to your instance and refresh it, okay. So now what I can do, let me restart it. Okay, so system ctl stop Jenkins. Okay, now it should be stopped. Yeah. Okay, let me start it and see what is the, I mean, error message I'm getting. Okay, yes, I can see the Jenkins service failed because the control process exited with an error code. Okay, you know why we're getting this particular error? Because of this Jenkins war file is not available this particular location. All right. So because of that, we are getting this particular error. So now what I can do next. So we can have to download the latest version. Okay, I think I have already downloaded. I didn't show you that, but yeah, of course you can go to. Uh, I mean, you can go to the Jenkins site and you can download it. Okay, so I just have downloaded it here in my download folder, and you can see this is the Jenkins war file, the latest one. Okay, so now let me copy that to here. Okay, so what is this path? Let me copy this path. Okay, you can go back to, okay, here my file. So I can copy Jenkins file to this particular location. Okay, now if I go to that location again, okay, now I have successfully copied the WAV file. Now let me stack my Jenkins. So it should stack now. It's taking some time. Meantime, okay, I think it's done. All right, started. So to know status system secure status Jenkins. Yeah, it's running now. So go back to your Chrome browser and try to refresh it and remove this. Okay, however, it's done. So let me log in. Okay, now you can see I have upgraded to 2.361.1 successfully. And if you go back to your manage Jenkins, okay, and you click on your scroll down, you click on system information, and you can see same executable file is same location we have just replaced it. All right. And if you want to, okay, let's say if you want to go back to your previous version, whatever we had 33.331. So what you can do, this one you can just rename it to backup, and you can just rename it to Jenkins.wav file, and you have to restart your Jenkins. So once you restart, then your Jenkins server will be back to the previous version. Okay, so that's it for today. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have anything to ask me. Thank you.